In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find deleted or voided transactions in QuickBooks Online. If you've ever opened your books and noticed something missing, a payment, an invoice, or an expense, the audit log is the place to confirm exactly what changed, when it changed, and who made the change. This is essential for accurate reporting, troubleshooting, and recreating missing details when needed. Start by opening QuickBooks Online on your desktop and sign in. Once you're on your dashboard, look to the top right corner and click the gear icon. Under the Tools section, choose Audit Log. The audit log is a running history of activity in your company file, and it's designed to help you track changes, including deletions and voids, with a clear timestamp and user trail. At the top of the audit log, use the filters to narrow down your search. Begin with the date range. If you know roughly when the transaction was deleted or voided, set those dates accordingly. Not sure? Go a little wider to make sure you don't miss it. Next, use the user filter if you want to focus on changes made by a specific person. This can be helpful in larger teams or when you're investigating a particular set of edits. Finally, in the Events filter, choose Deleted, Voided Transactions to zero in on those changes. If you prefer to see everything and then narrow it down manually, select All Events. After applying the filters, scroll through the log to locate the transaction. You'll see key information at a glance: the action taken, the user who made it, the date and time, and the original transaction details such as type and amount. Deleted items are removed from your books, but leave a footprint here, while voided items remain in your books with a zero amount, and the log records the void action. When you spot the transaction you're looking for, click View if that option is available. This opens a detailed history showing what the transaction looked like before the change and any fields that were modified. Use these details to confirm you've found the correct item and to capture the original information. While you can't directly restore a deleted transaction from the audit log, the original data shown here gives you everything you need to re-enter it accurately later. That's it. Simple, thorough, and reliable. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share.